Good morning, everyone. My name is Giuliano Valentini, and I'm glad to present you the Strategic Marketing Seminar Group Work, supervised by Jonas Heller on HEC Liège. We'll talk about a long-term marketing strategy for Zalando. Zalando is a German-based company that exists since 2008 and operates as an online marketplace for clothes and accessories all around Europe. Last year, 2020, the company had around 8,000 million euros on sales. The company is a leader on the market, has a huge customer base, and offers a high quality service for the brand partners and for the customers. An example is delivering products in a way customers can try them and send them back free to Zalando. Although it's hard to settle all the logistic infrastructure, so Zalando still remains in Europe. We see foreign companies that are coming and start selling on the European market. Customers of Zalando are people who are used to buy online or newcomers on this kind of this way of buying products. Zalando has direct competitors that are other marketplaces who sell similar products, clothes and accessories online, and indirect competitors as Amazon. Amazon sell clothes, but it's not a specific clothes marketplace. So Zalando is a key partner for the brands who sell through it and offers a more personalized experience to the customers who want to buy that kind of product. To segment the customer base, we used as example the Z-types, 7 Z-types provided by Zalando in the corporate page, and we added the trend greens that are people who are looking to buy products that have a less impact on the planet. For the targeting, we need to choose which segments we judge that will offer a better result. So we selected the hip hoppers, street snobs, and prep drivers. Each segment has its consuming characteristics and lifestyle. So, for example, the street snobs are people who need to show that they buy good quality and expensive clothes. The brand positioning for Zalando. Here we can see on the graph some of the competitors. So Zalando has a high diverse offer and an intermediary to medium price. So we can see high quality brands, but Zalando is also investing on the high end market. So they have a very effective logistics network that can offer a good quality customer experience. So the customer base will change on several levels. We have an individual level, which are life-changing events, while the customer will grow and things will happen to that person and will change their consuming habits. We have changes on product market level when we have innovation that comes and make new products, new needs for the customers, and we have big environmental level changes, as we saw with the pandemic that changed consumption habits and the way the companies needed to work in a way to serve their customers. To keep serving the consumers on the long term, Zalando need to keep investing in infrastructure and in technology, mostly in technology. Although they deal with a lot of data and customers are more and more exigent with the quality of the service. If they buy a product and have mistaken information, long delays, they won't keep buying from Zalando. They go and buy where they can find this kind of offer. The AR grid acquisition, expansion, retention grid explains us what work for each segment. So in the acquisition stage, we can see our targeted segments, the hip hoppers, street knobs, preps drivers, and the acquisition technique which will be used to them. And for the expansion phase, we have other activities that will be enhanced, and then after we have the retention, which will keep the quality to serve the customers and answer to their needs on the long term and following the changes through their life. So now we'll talk about the lost customer analysis to identify why customers abandon Zalando, why they go out. So we took 50 negative customer feedbacks online and we identified from 1 to 3 causes for each comment. And after making our data sample, which you can find here on the sources, we can see the main causes that consist on 80% of the count of the causes: customer service, refund policy, no delivery, delivery delay, picking error. And these are things that customers judge to be key points on why they will not buy again on Zalando. For example, customer service is the time they need to have an answer. We have, for example, picking error, which they buy a product and they receive a bad product in the place. So Zalando need to keep a track on these causes to enhance customer experience during the long term, because with the growing sales they also need to keep quality in order to don't lost the first stage customers who are really important for the company. Thank you very much, and the group remains available for further information.